Yan guys, South to Resident SM South Mall, SMDC. Yan guys. So makikita natin dyan yung ating yan. Swimming pool po tayo. Yan guys. Yung ating lobby. Yung ating unit. Yan guys. Yan yung unit natin. Tayo ay malapit sa Alabang Sapote Road. Ayan. South to Resident. Tayo din po ay yan. South Mall, Sandida College. SM South Mall. Yan. Las Piñas City Hall. Malapit po tayo. Yan. Malapit po tayo sa Alabang Sapote Road. Yan guys. Yan. Thank you so much everyone.